So today I will be reviewing how to use this wonderful vegetable cutter. I'll be reviewing how to use it. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to leave a comment and tell us your worries about using the cutter or whatsoever. And if you want to purchase, it is available for at the price of 10,000 francs and 1,000 francs delivery. If you are in the country of Cameroon, we can deliver to you in Cameroon and you purchase, you get yours. A wonderful product. Like, it's very wonderful, it's solid. It's solid, it's more solid than even the nicer dicer. It dices very well and it has a solid structure. That's why it's expensive. So you can get yours and enjoy. You can even surprise your wife even if you want to have yours. Alright, let's get to the video. Now, the machine already, many people in Cameroon don't know how to use it. No matter how they sell online, they don't know how it functions fully. But today I'm going to decipher it. Now, it comes like this with a bowl here. I cannot put the bowl because there's no stand. So you open like this, fit the bowl behind here. Now this thing is down, you have to turn it, it goes up so that you can. All right, now you put this man here, this one goes down, then this up here clings under here, so you have to push this knob up. You fit like this. Look at what I'm showing you. You push this knob up, then it fits perfectly. You can remove this. This is to help you and push whatever is down. Now, what I'm more concerned about is here, how to use this place. Now, if you notice, when you buy this thing, you're going to see here, look very well, you're going to see 360 degrees, 360 degrees. This is the first small knob, the second small knob, and the big knob. This big knob has up to 8 gears. This one is strictly for thickness of whatever you're slicing. If you want to do Irish potatoes, right, you set the thickness right up to 8 for Irish potato. Okay, this one you set it right up to 8. Now this is 8 here. That's 8, number 8. Then now what you have to do is turn either this or this, all right up to 360 degrees. Now let me show you the result. I'm going to remove this one, so I'll show you how it you're going to see it there. Now see the result. The blades will become bigger. See these blades, they'll become so big. All right, so more size. Then as you have increased the thickness, now this man here, this blade here that cuts now will be thicker, so it cuts bigger sizes like that of the Irish potatoes, and it comes out very well. Like you see in the video that I'm showing you, the video I did in the house, right? Now if you want to cut, let's say, those round shapes of cucumber, round shapes of cucumber, now depending on the size, you can start with one. Even for Irish potatoes, so you want to cut them round to make the chips kind of this thing. You can make it. It should be one here. This one here should be one. Then this guy here should be. You have to take this guy back. Everything here needs to be 0. Now look at the blade. The blade needs to be like this, small inside. You are seeing how these blades are small inside. Yes, then now you just control based on the thickness you want for those shapes like this. You have those round shapes, these shapes, right? If you want to have those dick shapes like that, you use this one to get those dick shapes. As I'm talking to you like that, you're going to see the video, a sub video playing as I'm talking to understand what I mean, right? Now then, if you want to do those slender shapes that are the potato size of shapes for potato French fries, but those are the ones that are slender, like for if you want to do your maybe you want to do your carrot for your roasted fish or salad, those ones that are slender like that, or maybe a cabbage, you still work with the thickness. All right, you still work with the thickness. You can adjust the thickness, let's say to 4. Then now for this, now what you do for this is that you increase this man and this man 360 degrees. Both of them should be 360 degrees while you control the thickness. What did I say? Both should be 360. You turn like this, circle like this, You also turn like this, circle, like this. 360 degrees, circle, round. Then now you increase the thickness, you reduce it will not be 8 like that, or because you don't want it to be too big, it can be 4. Now with that, now see how the blades have come. But see where it can cut. Now if I increase it to 8, you see how, you see where this thing now can cut, right? So when you increase the big knob, it increases how this blade can cut, how this big blade here can cut. If you actually reduce, or if you increase the small knobs, they increase by these blades here. They help to give you the shapes that you want to cut. Now the advantage of this over other ones is that you can decide to choose the thickness. How thick the thing is, you can decide to choose it yourself. How you want your stuff to be thick, you decide for yourself how you want. Unlike the other cutters that have just one thickness, with this one you get to resize and reshape. So perfect for those who are doing salad, those who are doing potato and egg by the roadside, even in restaurants or hotels, maybe breakfast, or even hotels, restaurants, you can get it also. Yeah, so it's actually a wonderful product that it's very amazing. It has saved me a lot of time. The time that I just spend time to peel my potatoes, and to peel my potatoes I use a potato peeler. I'm going to show you in a bit. So a potato peeler, that's what I use to peel my potatoes. Then I just have to put them here, and I just tap like this, and it goes very well. So it's very nice and cuts better than most of the potato cutters that I've seen. That maybe when they're cutting the potatoes at a particular point in time, sometimes the potatoes gets to I will say the equipment themselves get to broke, but this one is very nice. So I've just taught you how to use it. I did a video on TikTok, but I saw that TikTok videos cannot be accessed by anyone. You must log into TikTok or create an account. So I actually had to do this new video so that I will show you how to use this product on YouTube. Yeah, so everybody can watch, whether you are subscribed or not. You can watch the video and subscribe.